Here we are. Wow, look at the gate.
It's so big. Can we go in now?
Hello, welcome to the zoo. Let's go in.
Wow, the zoo. I can't wait. Wow, this zoo is very big. Yeah, look at all the animals. Look at all the animals. It's amazing. Wow, so many birds and little animals. Wow, the lion is so big. Wow, the lion is so big.
Anna, watch out.
That's too close, Anna. We want 4 tickets, please. Of course. Here you are. Thank you. All right, let's go. 2 adults and 2 children. How old are this 10 and Bill is 6? Yeah! Children under 10 are free. You only pay for 3 tickets. Be careful, Anna.
I will be very careful.
Anna, it is very dangerous.
Yes, stay back. It's not safe. We must be careful.
This place looks magical.
Nature is beautiful.
Look at all the colors.
Yes, it's wonderful.
Look at its colors.
So beautiful. The cat likes this place.
The dog looks calm.
They stand so gracefully.
Amazing birds.
The lake is peaceful.
Perfect for photos. So cute.
Elephants are wonderful.
The zebras are running so fast.
Their stripes are beautiful.
Wow, they're amazing.
They really are.
The panda is so adorable.
It loves eating bamboo.
They swim so fast.
They are such playful creatures.
Look at them go. The monkey took the banana. Oh, that naughty monkey. The parrots are so bright and colorful.
They look like flying rainbows.
Wow, look at it jump. So energetic and fast. It looks so scary.
Don't get too close.
They look so gentle.
I love how peaceful they are.
One last picture near the lion.
Everyone smile.
The bear is enormous.
And so strong.
He's waking up. It's so lively here.
Everyone seems happy and excited.
Look at the performers.
The kids are loving it.
Please stay on the path.
Thank you for keeping us safe.
The day is almost over.
I wish we had more time. Goodbye, giraffe.
See you next time.
Look how tall the giraffe is.
Its neck is incredible.
Wow, it's so...
Amazing animal.
Bye, monkey. It looks so playful.
This zoo is amazing.
Yes, so many animals to see.
Wow, look over there.
I see them. The zebras are running fast. Their stripes are beautiful. The birds are so colorful.
They look beautiful.
The waterfall looks magical.
This place is so relaxing.
Look at the peacock.
Its feathers are stunning. Our cat is enjoying the zoo.
And the dog looks happy too.
Flamingos look elegant.
Their pink color is beautiful.
Look at the ducks swimming.
This place feels peaceful. The baby elephant is adorable.
It's having fun.
It's so tall.
Nature is amazing.
The lion is roaring! That sound is powerful.
The turtles move slowly.
The frogs are jumping.
Say cheese!
Cheese.
Penguins are so funny.
They swim very fast.
The bear looks sleepy, but it's very strong.
The sunset looks beautiful.
I wish we could stay longer. Goodbye, animals.
We'll visit again.
They are jumping everywhere.
They are very playful.
They are jumping rifle. This place looks magical.
Nature is beautiful.
The birds are so pretty.
They really are.
Look at its colors. So beautiful.
The cat likes this place.
The dog looks calm.
They stand so gracefully.
Amazing birds.
Yes, they are.
Wow.
The lake is peaceful.
Perfect for photos.
It certainly is.
Wow, so many birds. Elephants are wonderful. Its neck is so long.
Incredible animal. Turtles move slowly.
But they are cute.
Yes, very cute.
I love them.
Smile, everyone.
Perfect picture.
Got it.
They are so funny.
Look how fast they swim.
The bear looks sleepy.
But still powerful.
What a beautiful day.
I love the zoo.
That was an amazing adventure.
We will come back again.